What if just 5 drops of the right oil could unlock years of biological resilience in your skin? For millions of women, something quietly shifts after 40. The skincare routine that once gave you a radiant glow now feels flat. Your favorite serum? Less effective. That rich cream? Suddenly too heavy. And no, it's not your imagination. This isn't just about age. It's about biology. After menopause, your skin experiences a steep decline in estrogen, a hormone that once orchestrated collagen synthesis, lipid production, and moisture retention. According to a 2019 review published in Dermatoendocrinology, women can lose up to 30% of their skin's collagen within the first 5 years after menopause. That's not just a wrinkle, that's structural collapse. But here's what most anti-aging products get wrong. They treat the surface, not the system. They try to mask aging, rather than supporting your skin's deeper architecture. Its matrix of collagen, elastin, ceramides, and lipids that governs texture, bounce, and repair. The truth is, your skin hasn't stopped working. It's simply operating under a different set of rules. Rules that reflect your changing hormonal environment, slower cell turnover, and diminished lipid reserves. It needs new input, different signals, smarter support. In this video, we're not chasing youth. We're working with your biology, not against it. I'll walk you through 5 science-backed oils, each one selected not just for its glow, but for its mechanistic role in skin integrity. These aren't cosmetic quick fixes. They're targeted interventions, tools to help your skin rebuild, restore, and respond. Because aging isn't the enemy. Disconnection is. And the right oil, at the right time, may be the reconnection your skin has been waiting for. How skin ages, from collagen breakdown to lipid collapse. To understand how your skin truly changes after 40, we need to go beneath the surface, beyond fine lines and dryness, and look at the underlying biology. The primary driver of accelerated skin aging in midlife is estrogen loss. This isn't just a reproductive hormone. It's also a key architect of your skin. Estrogen regulates fibroblast activity, which controls collagen and elastin production, and it influences hyaluronic acid synthesis, your skin's natural humectant. Without it, the skin's structure begins to weaken. Collagen fibers become fragmented. Elastin loses tension. Moisture escapes more easily. But that's only the beginning. After 40, there's a shift in how your cells behave on a molecular level. The skin's ability to renew itself, driven by pathways like mTOR and AMPK, begins to decline. Fibroblasts slow down. Apoptosis, or programmed cell death, increases. These aren't cosmetic problems. They're signs of a biological transition, a pivot from regeneration to conservation. Then there's the lipid layer, your skin's frontline defense. Lipids are the fatty acids that hold your skin barrier together. Ceramides, cholesterol, and free fatty acids help seal in hydration and prevent environmental damage. But post-menopause, lipid production drops dramatically. This leads to a critical but often overlooked problem. Even if you're applying good products, your skin can't absorb them effectively. The delivery system has broken down. Dermatologists are beginning to recognize a new term: perimenopausal skin resistance. The phenomenon where skin becomes less responsive to treatments it once loved. It's not about product quality. It's about loss of receptivity. This is where oils come in, not as moisturizers, but as lipid signaling agents. When applied correctly, they don't just sit on top of the skin. They mimic your natural sebum, restore lipid composition, and deliver biochemical messages to the deeper layers of your dermis. Some oils can even influence gene expression related to repair and inflammation. In American skincare culture, there's often confusion between hydration, water content, and moisture, lipid balance. You can drown your skin in hyaluronic acid, but without lipids, that water just evaporates. Oils help lock in hydration and rebuild the skin's capacity to hold on to it. So instead of fighting your skin's new rhythm, what if you honored it? What if you gave it exactly what it needed to adapt? Let's meet the 5 oils that work with, not against, your skin's aging clock. Top 5 anti-aging oils. Mechanism by mechanism. Number 1, rosehip oil. When we talk about skin rejuvenation, most people jump straight to retinol. And while it's true that synthetic retinoids can boost collagen, they often come with side effects: redness, peeling, and irritation. For mature or sensitive skin, those outcomes can do more harm than good. That's where rosehip oil steps in. This cold-pressed oil, derived from the fruit of the wild rose plant, contains trans-retinoic acid, a naturally occurring form of vitamin A. Unlike synthetic retinol, which requires enzymatic conversion within the skin, trans-retinoic acid is already bioavailable. That means it can directly bind to retinoid receptors in skin cells and activate collagen-producing genes like COL1A1 and COL3A1. What does this mean for aging skin? It accelerates cell turnover, smooths fine lines, and fades hyperpigmentation, all without the sting. A 2015 clinical study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science showed that rosehip oil significantly improved skin elasticity, hydration, and collagen density in postmenopausal women over just 8 weeks. Even better, rosehip oil delivers a dual benefit. It's not just about vitamin A. It also provides essential fatty acids, especially linoleic acid, which support your skin barrier and prevent transepidermal water loss. That makes it ideal for nighttime use, especially on clean, damp skin. Think of rosehip oil as retinol's softer, wiser cousin. It doesn't shout, it restores. And for women with sensitive or reactive skin, it may be the gentlest way to bring retinoid-level benefits back into your routine. Number 2, sea buckthorn oil. Some oils nourish, others repair, but few can rebuild. That's what makes sea buckthorn oil so unique. Pressed from the berries of a hardy shrub native to Siberia and the Himalayas, this deep orange oil is one of the rare plant-based sources of palmitoleic acid, omega-7. Omega-7 plays a critical role in maintaining the health of epithelial tissues like your skin and mucous membranes. As we age, the natural production of this fatty acid declines, especially in postmenopausal women. Sea buckthorn oil works on 2 fronts. First, it restores lipid content in the outermost layer of the skin, the stratum corneum, which improves moisture retention and elasticity. Second, it supports epidermal regeneration, helping repair microdamage and reinforce the skin's structural integrity. In 2021, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that topical application of sea buckthorn oil significantly improved skin hydration, reduced roughness, and enhanced collagen matrix rebuilding in women over 50, particularly those experiencing photoaging. In practical terms, this oil is a godsend for women living in dry, cold climates. Think Colorado winters or high-altitude towns in the Rockies. When skin feels weathered, thin, or paper-like, just a few drops at night can bring back the bounce. Mix 2 to 3 drops into your night cream or press it into damp skin post-cleansing. The result? Skin that feels not just softer but stronger. Number 3, pomegranate seed oil. Not all skin issues stem from the surface. For many women in midlife, the true trigger lies deeper in hormones. As estrogen levels drop, the skin becomes thinner, more prone to inflammation, and less capable of retaining moisture. Enter pomegranate seed oil, a rich, ruby-toned extract packed with punicic acid, omega-5, and plant-based phytoestrogens. Punicic acid is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that helps calm reactive skin, while phytoestrogens gently mimic estrogen's effects on the skin, supporting collagen synthesis, improving hydration, and restoring dermal thickness. A 2019 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that postmenopausal women taking pomegranate extract experienced measurable improvements in skin hydration, tone, and firmness, alongside fewer hot flashes and mood fluctuations. Beyond the science, the emotional impact is profound. Hormonal skin changes often come with a sense of disconnection, as if your reflection no longer feels familiar. By supporting hormonal balance, topically and internally, pomegranate seed oil offers a bridge back to that sense of self. It can be applied directly to the skin at night or blended with a carrier oil like jojoba. For systemic benefits, half a teaspoon in a morning smoothie may also support internal hormone balance. This isn't just skin-deep restoration. It's whole self-renewal. Number 4, squalane. Have you ever felt like no matter how much moisturizer you use, your skin still feels tight by midday? That might not be dehydration. It could be a lipid deficiency. Your skin naturally produces squalene, a sebum component that keeps the skin soft, supple, and protected. But after age 30, squalene production plummets. Enter squalane, a stable, hydrogenated form of squalene that offers the same benefits without oxidizing. What makes squalane so powerful is that it's bioidentical. Your skin recognizes it instantly and welcomes it. It's non-comedogenic, lightweight, and fast-absorbing. More importantly, it fills the gaps in your lipid barrier, helping seal in hydration, soothe inflammation, and prevent collagen breakdown. A 2020 study published in Molecules highlighted squalane's ability to enhance barrier function, reduce water loss, and improve elasticity, even in mature, acne-prone skin. Squalane pairs beautifully with antioxidant serums like vitamin C or niacinamide and can be layered under sunscreen or makeup without pilling. Apply 1 to 3 drops on damp skin after cleansing, morning or night. Think of it as a base coat for your skin's moisture barrier. Number 5, argan oil. Sometimes, aging skin isn't about what you see, but what you feel. The quiet loss of elasticity. The way your skin doesn't spring back after a smile. The subtle sense of sagging around your jaw or cheeks. Argan oil is here for that. Rich in tocopherols, vitamin E, natural squalene, and potent antioxidants. Argan oil targets the oxidative stress that weakens collagen and breaks down elastin fibers over time. Unlike heavier oils, argan is lightweight yet deeply nourishing. It's particularly effective in areas prone to gravity's pull, the neck, décolletage, and lower face. A study published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, 2015, found that daily use of argan oil for 60 days significantly improved skin elasticity and hydration in postmenopausal women. For best results, warm 3 drops between your palms and press gently into clean, slightly damp skin before bed. It layers well with essential oils like frankincense or rose, enhancing its regenerative effects. Think of argan oil as your daily resilience ritual, a small act of restoration that helps your skin hold itself together, quietly, gracefully, and on its own terms. How to use these oils right. The 3-step SMART layering method. The oils we've just explored are powerful, but even the best oils can fail if used incorrectly. And for many women over 40, that's exactly what's happening. They're not using the wrong oils. They're using the right oils the wrong way. Let's start with 3 of the most common mistakes. Applying oil on dry skin. Using too much product. Layering oils over harsh actives or incompatible ingredients. Here's the truth most skincare guides miss. Oils don't hydrate, they seal. That means if you apply them to dry skin, there's nothing for them to seal in. Instead of penetrating, the oil just sits on the surface, sometimes even drawing moisture out of the skin in a reverse effect. So what's the fix? A simple 3-step ritual rooted in physiology. Step 1. Cleanse gently. Begin with a low pH, non-stripping cleanser. Avoid harsh foaming agents that compromise your skin barrier. You're not trying to scrub your face clean. You're preparing a receptive canvas. Step 2. Mist or pat in hydration. This is your hydration primer. Use a facial mist, thermal water, or a humectant-rich toner. The key is to leave your skin damp, not dripping. This thin layer of moisture acts as a conduit, enhancing oil absorption and barrier repair. Step 3. Press in the oil, don't rub. Warm 2 to 3 drops of your chosen oil between your palms. Then, using gentle pressure, press the oil into your skin, don't rub. Pressing encourages absorption without disrupting microcirculation or irritating sensitive areas. A 2020 review published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology confirmed that applying oils on damp skin significantly improved elasticity, reduced transepidermal water loss, and accelerated barrier repair up to 2 times faster compared to dry skin application. So if you've been applying facial oil like lotion, rubbing, tugging, layering over dryness, don't blame the product. Adjust the technique. The goal isn't just glow, it's communication. With the right prep, these oils can speak the language your skin still understands. Up next, we'll turn this science into a nightly ritual, a 5-minute system to calm your skin, your nervous system, and even your sleep. Why 5 minutes at night changes your skin's biology. Most people see skincare as functional, clean, treat, moisturize, done. But after 40, your skin isn't just another system. It's a sensor wired into your nervous system, reflecting your internal state. That's why a rushed routine won't cut it anymore. What your skin needs now is ritual, a consistent calming pattern that signals to your biology. You're safe now, you can heal. When you gently press oil into your skin, you're doing more than sealing in moisture. You're engaging your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and restore arm of your biology. This lowers heart rate, reduces cortisol, and encourages deep repair, not just in your skin, but across your whole body. A 2022 study published in Skin Research and Technology found that women who practiced mindful skincare, including touch, breath, and intention, experienced lower inflammation markers, better sleep quality, and visible skin improvement within just 2 weeks. That's not just cosmetic. That's neuroimmunological integration. So each night, skip the rush. Take 5 minutes. Cleanse gently. Mist lightly. And choose your oil with intention. Rosehip for gentle renewal. Sea buckthorn for barrier repair. Pomegranate for hormonal harmony. Squalane for lipid support. Argan for elasticity and lift. As you press the oil into your skin, take a slow breath and repeat. You're safe now. Let your skin repair. This is your nightly reset. It's not about perfect skin. It's about restoring communication between your body and yourself. We've been taught to fear aging skin, to chase youth, to resist every wrinkle like a threat. But what if we chose a different approach? Your skin is not failing you. It's adapting to new conditions. Lower estrogen, slower turnover, lipid depletion. These aren't signs of breakdown. They're invitations to listen, adjust, and support your skin differently. When we stop chasing younger, we start pursuing something deeper, intelligent aging. A process grounded in biology, not marketing. An adaptation, not panic. These 5 oils aren't magic. They don't reverse time. They respect it. And in doing so, they respect you. They meet your skin where it is, with tools it still understands. They don't promise perfection. They support connection. Between you and your biology. Between care and outcome. Because ultimately, beauty isn't the goal. Resilience is. Let your evening ritual be a quiet declaration that you're not aging wrong. You're simply entering a wiser phase. And now, you have the tools to move through it with clarity, comfort, and care. No filters. No urgency. No fear. Just 5 drops. 1 breath. And a promise to honor your skin on its own terms.